Hi. In last class, we discussed about the number system and different types of number systems and the basic definition of irrational numbers. So, what are irrational numbers? The numbers which are not rational are called irrational numbers. Generally, we have property for irrational numbers. What is that property? Non-terminating. Number one, first property is it is non-terminating decimals. Non-terminating decimals, and number two is non-repeating decimals. If any fraction part after converting into decimal, if its decimal is non-terminating and non-repeating, then that is called irrational number. So, let us take examples of irrational numbers are root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8. Understand? These are called irrational numbers. For example, what about root 4? Root 4 is nothing but a plus or minus 2. So, plus 2 or minus 2 can be written as 2 by 1, which is in the form of p by q. So it is belongs to a rational number. So it is not irrational. It is rational. Next, let us take root 9. Root 9 is equal to 3. 3 can be written as 3 by 1. So that it is also a rational number. Let us take root 16. 4. It is a rational number. Root 10. Root 11. Root 12. Root 13. Root 14. Root 15. Root 17 and so on. Like that, these are all examples of irrational numbers. Understand? Why I am saying this means if you observe all these square roots, we can easily say that these are irrational numbers without doing performance, without doing simplification. Generally, how can we find an irrational number? By doing a simplification. Understand? So what is that simplification? First one, convert into decimal form. If its decimal form is non-terminating and non-repeating, then that is not a rational number. For this type of numbers we have to identify easily by seeing root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7 and so on. These are all examples of irrational numbers. Now let us see some examples whether the given are rational or irrational. Now let us see these numbers. Now we will verify whether these numbers are irrational or rational. So now let us take first one. What is first one? 2 1 by 2. This is a mixed fraction. We have to convert into 2 2's 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. 5 by 2, divide 5 with 2. 2 2's 4. 1 is there, put a point, so that 0. 2 5's 10, so remainder is 0. So 2 1 by 2 is equal to 2.5. So what is the decimal form of the 2.5? Only 5. Is it terminated or non-terminating? It is terminated. Understand? Why? Because after 5 no number is there. Why? Because remainder is 0 here. So it is terminated. Repeating or non-repeating? 5 is only there, so that non-repeating. So that here it fails two properties of the irrational numbers. If a number follows two conditions, then that is irrational. Here follows only, it fails two conditions, so that it is a rational number. Understand? Once again I am explaining you, if a number after converting into decimal form, if the decimal form is non-terminating, non-repeating, if these two conditions are satisfied by the number, then that is a irrational number. If any one of these two conditions fails, that is a rational number. Let us check root 24. Root 24 can be written as root of. What are the factors of 24? 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. What is root 4? 2. Root 6. Already I explained root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6 are all irrational numbers. So here root 6 is irrational number. An irrational number is multiplied by an integer. Any irrational number multiplied or divided by an integer, then that is also irrational number. So it is irrational. Understand? or otherwise find the value of root 6 by division method. You can get two conditions, non-terminating, non-repeating. So that also we conclude that it is irrational. Let us take third one. Root 16 is equal to 4. 4 can be written as 4 by 1. So belongs to rational. So it is a rational number. Understand? It is a rational number. 7.7. Expand 7.7. 7.7. Bar is there. Bar. What is the meaning of bar? 7 is so many times repeating. 7.7777777 and so on, so on, so on. Okay. 7 is non-stoply repeating. So now observe the conditions. First one. Is it terminated? It is non-terminating. Why? Because 7 is repeating. So non-terminating. Its decimal is non-terminating. It not stops. 7 again comes. So number 2. Is it repeating or non-repeating? Repeating. Now you say 7.7 bar is rational or irrational? For example, it is irrational. Two conditions should be followed. What are the two conditions? Number 1 is non-terminating. So non-terminating is follows. Number 2 is non-repeating. But here repeating. So second condition fails. So that it is not an irrational number. It is a rational number. Understand? Now root of 4 by 9. Root of 4 by 9 can be written as root 4 by root 9. Root 4 is 2. Root 9 is 3. It is in the form of P by Q. Belongs to Q. So that it is rational number. Next one. Minus root 30. What we can write root 30? Root 30 is not a perfect square. So root 30 is in series of root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7 like that. If you write this as root of 10 into 3, again this can be written as minus of root 10 into root 3. Multiplication of two irrational numbers is again irrational number. Without doing the simplification by division method, without finding the value of root 10 and root 3, we by simply some conditions, some observations. I told you root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, root 11. All these type of numbers are irrational numbers. So that root 10 is irrational, root 3 is also irrational. Multiplication of two irrational numbers to different irrational numbers is again a irrational number. Otherwise, you find the value of root 10, it may be some 3 point something. You find the value of root 3, it may be 1 point something. If you apply the conditions of irrational number that are non-terminating and non-repeating, so that this is minus root 30 is an irrational number. Now, we have to discuss now how can we find the root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6 values. So now first of all I want to find the value of root 2. After that I will find root 5. Remaining root 3, root 6, root 7 you have to find. So how can we find the square root of 2? By division method. Let us take 2. Already you learned in 8th class level. 1 ones. You put 1 here, 1 here. Multiply these two. 1 into 1, 1. Subtract 2 minus 1, 1. So double this. What is this? 1 here. Double this. So that 2 you get. After that no number is here. So that put point. So write 2 zeros. Write 2 zeros. Now you write a number here. If you write any number here, you have to repeat the same number here. If you write 1, you write 1 here. If you write 2, you write 2 here. If you write 3, you write 3 here. So if you write 1 here, 1, 21 it becomes, it is 1. 21 into 1, 21. It is not near to 100. If you write 2 here, 2, it becomes 22. 22 into 2, 44. Very difference is there for 100 and 44. Write 3. If you write 3 here, you write 3 also here. 23 into 3. 23 3 is 69. Some difference is there. You write 4 here. 4. 24 into 4, 96. It is very near to 100. So that you should write 4. So that you should write 4. So multiply with 4. 4, 4, 16. 4 to 8 plus 1, 9. So minus. So 4. Again point is there, so that you have to write 2 zeros. So 1.4, double it. Assuming this as 14 and double it. So that you get here 28. Point is there, already write 2 zeros. Now you write 1 here, 1, 281. Okay, you write 2 here also 2. 282 into 2, it is greater than 4. So that you write 1, 281. 1 into 281. 10 minus 1, 9. 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So again point is there, put 2 zeros. 141, double it. So that you get 282. Now write 1 here, 1. Here it is 11,900. But here 2,800. 2,800 is nearly 4 times. So that 4, you write 4 here. 4, 4, 16. 4, 2, 8, 9. 4, 8, 32. 4, 2, 8, 11. So here 11,296. If you write 5, 2,825 into 5, it becomes greater than 11,900. So that nearest value we have to get by substituting same number here and here. So take minus. 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 8 minus 2, 6. What is this? 10 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 2, 7. Okay, 704. Again 2828, double it. 14, double it. 2828. Point is there, write 2 zeros. Now write 1. It is 70,400. It is 28,200. So write 3 approximately. 3 is 9. 3 8s 24. 3 2 6 8. 3 8s 24. 3 2 6 8. So it becomes more than 70. So that don't take 3 here. Less than 3, take 2. Okay. 2 2s 4. 2 8 16. 2 2s 4 plus 1 5. 2 8 16. 2 2s 4 plus 1 5 minus. So whatever you get. So up to 4 decimals we found the value of root 2. So that root 2 is equal to 1.4142 and so on. If you go on like this, you can't get remainder 0, so that it is non-terminating, and also you can't get any repeated numbers. Repeated number means here you observe 4 is coming 2 times. That is not taking as repeating. Repeated means same series. For example, 4 4 4 4 4 4. That is called repetition. Or 4 1. Again 4 2 comes here. For example, 4 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 4 1 4 1. That is called repetition. Understand? So it is non-terminating, non-repeating. So that root 2 is irrational number. Similarly, like that you have to find root 5. Okay. How can we find the value of root 5? So you have to write like this. So first 2 2s. What you write? You write here. 2 2s 4 1. So double the 2 4. Put a point so that 2 zeros. Now if you write 1, you have to write 1 here. If you write 1 here, you have to write 1 here. So 40. 42 is 80. So that you have to write 2 here. So that you write 2. 2 2s 4. 2 4s 8. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 8, 1. So double 22. It becomes 44 zeros. So 44s. Nearly 4 times. So that you write 3 here. If you write 4, it becomes more than 1600. So that you write 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 4 is 12 plus 1, 13. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 7, 5 minus 3, 2. So again double it. 223 into 2. So that 446. 2 zeros. Okay. Now what you have to write? It is 400. It is 27. 27 means 4 6 are 24. So that you have to write 6 here. Nearest value. Okay. So if you write 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39. 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. 6 4s are 24 plus 2 26. So here you observe nearly 27 we get. So 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 9 0. 11 minus 7 4. So 0. So again you double this. Multiply with 2. What do you get? 2 6 are 12. 2 3 6 plus 1 7. 2 4s. So 2 2s 4. 2 2s 4. Again 2 zeros. Okay, 44, 40,000. So put 1 here. 1, 2, 7, 4, 4. So again it comes, so that you write it 0. So like that. So root 5 is equal to 2.236 and so on. So here also it is non-terminating and non-repeating. So that root 5 is also an irrational number. Now let you calculate root 7, root 8 as homework. Okay.